Danielle, well, the Department of Transportation is getting its plows ready for the storm ahead.
Veronica Acosta talked to them and other agencies for how they're preparing. Veronica.
You know, the mountains got some snow over the weekend, so those CDOT plows, they are ready for anything that may come their way. Today, though, Denver prepping its plows, and more importantly, they're getting those residential plows ready, which may go out as well. Getting plows ready for what could be several inches of snow takes time and preparation.
They're ready to go out.
The potential for up to 6 inches of snow Monday into Tuesday in the Denver metro means anywhere between 40 to 50 city plows will be clearing roadways.
We decided over the weekend that we wanted to bring them in at noon, make sure that the drivers were in before the snow arrived.
Residential plows also a possibility depending on just how much snow ends up falling.
So we're going to have the vehicles ready. These are 4x4 pickup trucks. We're going to have staff ready to go. They would go out at 3 a.m. if they're activated.
But readying the roads isn't the only priority. Making sure those who need help shoveling come Tuesday is also top of mind with Denver's Snow Angel program.
Volunteers will go out to the homes of older adults or people living with disabilities who can't afford a shoveling service. They will shovel the front sidewalks of these houses as a way to avoid fines and just build connections with neighbors in the community.
With about 99 volunteers signed up and 130 homes requesting assistance, the program is scheduled to be activated Tuesday for the first time since it was recently revamped.
It's wonderful to see how many people want to get out there and help.
In Aurora, where bitter temps and snow are also expected, the cold weather shelter at the Commute Crisis Center has been extended through the week.
We accept all families at that point just to bring as much people inside as possible. We'll find room in this building to make sure all, especially the kids, are out of the cold.
And we've said a couple times the big concern is going to be tomorrow morning's commute. So CDOT re-amplifying this message. They have about 115 plows out. They're going to split their time between the I-70 corridor and then, of course, some of those highways in the metro. So just keep that in mind. We're in Denver tonight. I'm Veronica Acosta, Denver 7.
Maybe a good idea to get an early start tomorrow. Thank you, Veronica. Well, from